rat is going way too fast. My energy is running down, and I still can't catch him. I am the only and original Sonic. That blue imposter, dead or alive, is mine.
It can't be possible. This damned piece of tin is even faster than me now. It is a fucking miracle. We haven't crashed into anything yet. I have to break free from his grip now.
Target deleted. Mission accomplished. Time to return to the base. The master will be proud. Withdraw. Withdraw. Withdraw.